And her name is Jyoti Rani Solanki, which has Solanki, but I accidentally omitted the letter A. Everything else, the form is correct, and her name is also there in the main section as well. But only in that section that letter A is misspelled. So I was wondering if that will hamper my admission process or not.
Don't wonder on it, we'll answer it.
It is not going to hamper your admission process. You will be allocated a seat. You can pay the fees. These account details are taken only in case of fee refund. So, but still you can do it. You can do a correction in the correction window. We'll provide a correction window at the end of registration. It has already been notified. So, if you wish, you can correct it there.
Thank you so much.
More thing. This is also a word of caution. This is also a word of caution. जो भी रिफंड जाएगा, आप जिस अकाउंट से रिफंड आपने पेमेंट की है वो वहीं जाएगा. अगर आपने यूपीआई से किया है तो वो यूपीआई में वापस जाएगा. ये इसलिए भी मैं आपको बता रही हूँ क्योंकि कई बच्चे जो हैं किसी और थर्ड पार्टी से पेमेंट करवा लेते हैं तो वो उन्हीं के अकाउंट में वापस चला जाएगा. तो हमारे पास जहाँ से आता है ये आरबीआई के रूल्स है कि हमें वहीं पर ही रिफंड भेजना है. तो आपके बैंक अकाउंट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू अस, बट वंस वी close the exercise, we try, so the rules now say that it has to go from the source from which the payment has been made. I am telling you this because कई बच्चे किसी ना किसी थर्ड पार्टी से फॉर्म फिल करवाते हैं और वो अपना अकाउंट नंबर डाल देते हैं और वहाँ से यहाँ पेमेंट कर देते हैं. तो जब हमारे पास वहाँ से पेमेंट आई है और फिर उस पर वो हमसे चार्ज बैक मांग लेते हैं. जैसे ही चार्ज बैक आता है वो पैसा उनके पास वापस चला जाए और आपका एडमिशन कैंसिल हो जाए. तो ये चीज़ें आपको ध्यान रखनी है बिकॉज व्हाट ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपन इन द साइबर वर्ल्ड. वी आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग दिस एवरी डे. सो प्लीज कीप एवरीथिंग इंटैक्ट. एंड ये द ओनली पॉइंट दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज दैट fill your form from your home, from your laptop, do your payments from your own account or your UPI or wherever you wish to. A third party may lead to severe consequences. For example, changing of your preferences, payments, changing your or cancelling your admission. अगर उनके पास आपका अकाउंट होगा तो वो आपका एडमिशन कैंसिल कर दिए. ये हम आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस, हमें 5 साल हो गए एडमिशन करते हुए. हमारे पास वो फिर रोते बातें मैंने नहीं किया, मेरा पासवर्ड किसी और के पास था उसने कर दिया. तो हम तो अपनी मदद ही नहीं कर सकते ना. तब हमारे लिए तो वो कैंसिल है.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I am Shagun, ma'am. You have already briefed about the admissions through CUET, but I want to know about admissions through ITEP, the course interviews this year only in this college. So about BSc, B.Ed and BA, B.Ed. So can you please brief?
Important because the admissions to ITEP is through NCET, and perhaps very soon we will open the platform. You can make a choice for ITEP and then the admissions will happen. We are working on it.
Thank you, ma'am.
For your information, this year we will only be offering BSc B.Ed. We are waiting for the approval for that. So once that is offered, there will be no BA B.Ed this year. That will be maybe next year we will be offering.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity that I will be able to clear my doubts. Like I have 2-3 queries. First is like, should I prioritize my top tier due colleges over my preferred courses, or should I prefer only my courses? Like it should be any colleges.
As ma'am has already mentioned, the decision has to be yours. Whether you would like to prioritize a course over a college or a college over a course, but we have been always advising students to prioritize a program over the college, because in longer run, it's a program which will help you to achieve what you are aspiring for. College is important, but I think the program should be given more importance. But choice is yours.
My second is like, what's the exact difference between like BA honors and BA programs? It's like most confused question like this.
See, it's only the structure of the program which leads to a degree of honors or a program. In honors, you will focus and study more paper of one discipline. Like if it is an economics honors, you will study more paper of economics, and in program, it's summation of 2 disciplines. So you will have a wider subject range to study. So it's again up to you to decide whether you would like to focus on one subject or a combination of.
My last point is like, should I choose a college based on its infrastructure or like its academic reputation?
Please tell us that.
I think again my answer is same. The choice is yours.
Thank you so much.
See, you'll enjoy a campus once you enjoy your studies. अगर क्लास में जाके मजा नहीं आएगा तो फिर आप कैंपस कैसे एंजॉय करेंगे?
Maybe they want to enjoy the campus only.
Both, either, each to its own.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Pradanya. I have a doubt. What is the difference between Eco Honors and Bachelor BA program, Eco and Maths? That is, what's the difference? And one more. And finally, a research is it degree backed by professors or students have solely to rely on themselves?
Okay, so let me introduce you to NEP better. Let me introduce you to the UGCF curriculum framework, the undergraduate curriculum framework of University of Delhi, which was started in 2022. इस framework के बाद अब आप जब एडमिशन लेते हैं तो आपके पास मल्टीपल एंट्री मल्टीपल एग्जिट का विकल्प शुरू हो जाता है. यानी अगर आप 1 साल के बाद छोड़ेंगे तो आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, 2 साल के बाद छोड़ेंगे तो डिप्लोमा, 3 साल के बाद आपको डिग्री और 4 साल के बाद आपको डिग्री विद ऑनर्स. राइट, एवरीथिंग इज देयर ऑन द वेबसाइट. बट अभी लगता है हमेशा कोई अभी तक हमारे पास कोई आया नहीं केस जिसने सर्टिफिकेट या डिप्लोमा भी छोड़ा हो. आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट आई एम नॉट टू श्योर. हो सकता है एग्जामिनेशन वुड बी एबल टू टेल दिस बेटर. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट so we take admission in honors courses. The eligibility is different. For example, economics honors, as you said, we need to have mathematics and CUET. However, if you see the BA program, economics and mathematics, but economics and commerce may not have mathematics as the eligibility. Honors के साथ आप you do more subjects with respect to that. So you do DSCs, which means discipline specific electives, discipline specific core subjects with respect to that subject, right? But when you take a program, then you have an opportunity to choose a major and a minor. After 3 years, if you've taken an amount of credits, then you can either take a major in economics or a minor in economics. So you have that flexibility to choose a major and a minor. Coming back to now to the degree, at the end of the 4th year, if you so there are 2 pathways. One is one person who would have graduated with a economics honors. At the end of the 4th year, they may choose a path of entrepreneurship or research or a course. Then the degree would be BA honors with entrepreneurship or research, whatever that pathway that you've chosen. If you've taken a BA program with economics and let's say mathematics, then also your degree would be BA honors with a major in economics. Got it?
And teachers will supervise.
Yes,
Is it backed
all
by
researchers.
lecturers or professors?
Yes. All of them will have their supervisors. The students are going to do research under it. And the 4th year also has classes. Every student is assigned a supervisor.
Actually, I
And-
just saw a video yesterday. There was a girl who was actually just passed from her research, and she was just telling that there was no professor actually to help her out.
See, we would request you not to
Yeah,
go with
I
such understanding, because some of it could also be because that particular teacher may not have helped her. Let us give the student the benefit of doubt. The other is to grab attention. So if you say something like that, you grab attention. Everybody likes to listen to some good news, and some people love to listen to bad news. So if that's what you are interested in, that is why ma'am has been pointing out that inauthentic videos should not be depended upon. You should look at only websites of the University of Delhi. Don't look at only other websites who take authentic information. You can look at that for your own entertainment. That's the idea. You must keep a distinction between them.
One more thing, what's the
BC
basic difference in eco honors and business economics?
This college doesn't have.
No, this college doesn't have, but many colleges have. Like
There's a
Govind Singh
difference-
College of Commerce, it's providing eco-honors as well as business economics. So some people are saying that business economics doesn't hold that much importance as
But
eco-honors.
the eligibility, first of all, is a bit different. You look at the eligibility. That's the
Yeah, I
entry
saw
level.
the eligibility.
The course curriculum is also very different. I would suggest to have a detailed, or because I can't tell you the core difference between them. Best to go to the website.
I just saw it on Google. It was not mentioning much. It was more. They were saying that it was corporate
So
oriented.
No. I'll give you the source. Go to du.ac.in. उसमें academic में जाइएगा. वहाँ पर सभी courses का पूरा 8 semester का सारा syllabus दिया हुआ है. हम बार-बार यही कहते हैं. बहुत सारी चीजें. My team is monitoring Insta, YouTubers, and we are amazed. We are amazed the amount of misinformation that is being spread. Trust me, there is a dedicated team. I have a dedicated team. Only my BCIS interns, some interns are only monitoring social media. And we are helpless. What can we say? We can only tell you again and again that trust us. But there is a lot of misinformation. There is a lot of information. And we can't. How many times can I monitor it? How many times can I say that this is a wrong information? Please remove it. But yes, misinformation is, like ma'am said, wrong information takes more publicity than the authentic sources.
Hello,
And
ma'am.
go to the
Good afternoon.
website and take the. I have some. Okay, sorry. So I have this sheet with me. Go on, sir. Then I take.
गुड आफ्टरनून एक्चुअली मुझे पूछना था कि सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड जो सर्टिफिकेट है वो एडमिशन प्रोसेस में कितना हेल्प करता है और कितने पॉइंट्स हमें बेनिफिट मिल जाते हैं इससे.
Single girl child is a supernumerary quota. One course, one program one college में एक single girl child की seat supernumerary quota में है. There are no additional benefits. It's just that there is a smaller group where you are competing. It's a separate list, but there is no any additional points added to it.
Last question. My daughter, she scored admission in हेलो इसका वेब्स में एडमिशन अभी हमने सीट सिक्योर कर ली है. शी स्कोर्ड 202 रैंक ऑल इंडिया रैंक इन इको ऑनर्स. अब हमारी फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस तो मिरांडा हाउस है, तो हमें कब तक कितने राउंड तक वेट करना है, क्योंकि मैंने वहाँ सीट्स तो इसकी फीस पे कर दी और सिक्योर कर ली.
सर मैं इसका जवाब बिल्कुल भी नहीं दे सकती क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता. इतना डेटा है, कितने बच्चे
उधर भी लास्ट डेट है फीस रिफंड के लिए बोलने के लिए, नहीं तो नॉट अ सिंगल
सर
अमाउंट
हमने
विल
भी
रिफंड.
28 जुलाई तक का तो शेड्यूल निकाला है.
ओके.
हमें तो सीटें भरनी है. जो मुझे नहीं पता आपकी बेटी के स्कोर क्या है, मुझे नहीं पता इसके ऊपर कितने बच्चे मिरांडा हाउस में क्या क्या प्रोग्राम करेंगे. 2.5 लाख बच्चा अप्लाई करता है. आप पिछले साल की कट ऑफ्स देख लीजिए. लेकिन वो भी अब हम उन कट ऑफ के ऊपर हम इस साल क्या है, ये तो it's such a fluctuating data always. आप देख लीजिए वेबसाइट के ऊपर, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट पर पिछले साल की कट ऑफ्स डली
जो
हुई है.
फर्स्ट लिस्ट आएगी उस पे ये सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड का कंसिडरेशन
जी,
होगी.
जी जी.
और मैं
जी.
जैसे एडमिशन प्रोसेस सारा ओवर हो गया, उसके बाद भी जैसे कहीं माइग्रेट हो गए बच्चे या एडमिशन लेके फिर वापस अपने होम टाउन चले जाते हैं तो सीट्स शायद वेकेंट हो जाती है, तो वो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा और हम कैसे अप्रोच करें, क्योंकि एडमिशन प्रोसेस तो सारा ओवर हो जाता है.
सर एडमिशन प्रोसेस ओवर होने के बाद जो सीट, अगर वैसे तो अगर कोई माइग्रेट कर गया वो हम, इट्स नॉट एन ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस. एडमिशन प्रोसेस एंड्स ऑन अ डे. इट इज़ नॉट ए ईयर लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. ऐसे तो सेकेंड ईयर में आके भी सीटें खाली हैं, थर्ड ईयर में जाके भी सीटें खाली हैं, कोई कहीं छोड़ के चला गया तो वो सीटें
उसमें आप कंसिडर करते हैं एडमिशन नहीं होता उसमें.
जब हम लास्ट डेट कर देते हैं उस समय हम देख लेते हैं कि हमारी मैक्सिमम सीटें जो है फिल हो जाती हैं. एंड BSc प्रोग्राम फिजिकल साइंसेज विद केमिस्ट्री. सो बेटा दोनों, if as I understand correctly, perhaps you're asking which colleges have chemistry honors and which colleges have BSc program physical science with chemistry. We've published the seat matrix on the website. Just take a look at that and then you can make your choices.
So, in terms of internship programs, every year, Miranda House, we have the DSKC Summer Research Internship Program. So, we have students all students all over the country who visit us. They take part in the research. It's a 6-week program. We do a lot of cutting edge research here, faculty and involved. We have students. When you visited today, you went around in the labs, you must have noticed that students were working. So chemistry mein we have approximately 56 students now who are working in our lab. Similarly in zoology, botany and other physics also. Along with that, we also have students that who, with our help, with our recommendations, they also apply to certain other institutes. We have collaborations, MOUs with a lot of institutes, NPL, and so on. So they also go for visits. We have visits that we organize, we have workshops, we have international collaborations. We have done one recently, a winter school. It was a 1-week program in sustainable chemistry, forensic chemistry, where we had students do a workshop with faculty from the Nottingham Trent University. So we have a lot of opportunities that are available to students who are.
And we have one of the best labs in the whole EU. So if you want to visit, you can just visit after this session. Yeah, we are there. So will there not be any seats?
Sorry, there'll be.
Will there not be any seats for me?
My question, there are two questions. Is preference list more like first come first serve service irrespective of your score? Then
We have patents.
is preferences more like first come first serve service is irrespective of score? If you are eligible, like I have a certain college that I'm eligible to, and my cutoff is I'm above the cutoff, but my score is low. Comparative to be another student who has a higher score, but that same college is in top 10. Would I be preferred because it's in my top 3, or would that another student more marks would be preferred in the top 10 colleges? That same course and same college, same cutoff, they both are.
Okay, so the allocations is a complex matrix of both the preferences as well as the merit. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि अगर आपने प्रेफरेंस 1 भरी है और आपकी मेरिट कम है और किसी और ने उसका प्रेफरेंस 10 भरा है और उसकी मेरिट 0 है तो आपको मिल जाएगा. It is a complex system, so we look at each program. Alright, once we start allocating, we look at every program. Before that, we also come out with a simulated rank, which is also announced. So every program, whosoever student has applied gets a unique rank on that. So that ranking determines who would get it. अगर सिर्फ प्रेफरेंस पे होता तो सबको उनकी फर्स्ट चॉइस मिल जाती बिना मेरिट के. ठीक है, तो ऐसे नहीं होता है. We look at, it's a very complex system of 4 parameters. Preferences, before preferences, the first criteria is the merit. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कम मेरिट वाले बच्चे को वो प्रोग्राम नहीं मिलेगा और लेस मेरिट वाले बच्चे को मिल जाएगा. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा.
According to the cutoff.
Both. That's what I'm saying. There are 4 parameters. One is the merit of the candidate. The other is the preference. The third is the category of the candidate. Alright? The fourth is the supernumerary that the person has. So everything else is looked at in a very, and the system is very robust. It's very transparent. There can't be any injustice. So it's not that I have a very low mark and I pick Miranda House. And there's another person who's also written Miranda House, but the preference is 4th. If she's not able to get anything above this, she will get that. If she lands on Miranda House and both of them, then we look at the person who's got a higher preference, the higher merit will obviously get Miranda House than to your first choice. You will get in the program wherever your merit will fall.
My second question is, would you recommend changing our preference list order after simulated ranks?
Up to you. We give you a privilege, we give you a facility. Recommending is something that, no, that's your call. we give the student-friendly facility. Because like you, as sir is saying, you would be doing.
Like you will change, others will also change. So again, it remains the same.
So everybody would change, then simulated ranks will again change.
So Miranda House was one of my top priorities for Sports Quota. But yesterday when the seat matrix came to Sports Quota for shooting, Miranda House has finished all the seats. Right? Till last year there was one seat, but now there's not.
So you want to say this year they have not offered any seat?
Yeah, it has happened in many colleges like Venkateshwar. So I will just ask like why has this happened, because
So there must be some other colleges who are offering it. I think Principal Ma'am would like to take this question.
I don't know with the sports teachers here or not, so I thought she would have been a better person to answer this question. However, keeping in mind that most of these seats are decided by the sports department, the physical education department, based on their need and the number of students who qualify for that.
Colleges will see, it's not just you. The third round, there could be a fourth round, there could be more rounds after this. So the colleges do compensate for those missed classes, but we have to start the semester. And to start our semester timely, we also have a very efficient facility which is data driven. We do certain extra allocations. That has also helped us in the past years to offer seats to more than the capacity which is sanctioned to us. In some colleges, that's a very statistically data-driven policy. Sometimes we offer, some courses we offer up to let's say 5% to, in some colleges up to 80%. हमारा ये रहता है कि हम ये एक्स्ट्रा एलोकेशन करके जब 28 को सेमेस्टर स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो क्लासेस ऑलमोस्ट फिल्ड हैं. Over the years also we have realized that third round और उसके subsequent round जितनी सीटें हैं 85% सीट जो हमारी फर्स्ट राउंड में फिल हो जाती है even after the withdrawals and the movement of the students. थर्ड राउंड में सीटें वैसे भी बहुत ही कम बचती हैं और उसके बाद तो बहुत कम होती जाती है. अराउंड 85% सीट जो हमारी फर्स्ट टू राउंड में फिल हो ही जाती है. सो वी यूजुअली द क्लासेस reach to the optimum level to begin the session.
So if I select a college and attend 3-4 days, the one which I have received in first or second round, and I have got a better college in third round, so can I change that?
Of course. As you said, you want a better one, go ahead. Just to masters as well. There is an MA for 2 years duration and there is a masters for 1 year duration. In both the programs, see, तो 2 year में अगर आप आते हैं तो आपको CUET देना पड़ेगा. आप मेजर माइनर हो, वहाँ पर भी हमारे पास दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के ऑनर्स के बच्चों के लिए एक अलग से हम थोड़ी सी सीटें रिजर्व रखते हैं, C2 कैटेगरी जिसे हम कहते हैं. तो अगर आप 2 साल के उसके लिए तो आपको CUET देना पड़ेगा. 1 year PG जो है हमारा इस साल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसमें इस साल जो एलिजिबिलिटी है वो है ऑनर्स वालों को प्रेफरेंस दी जाएगी ओवर मेजर. But this is this year. By the time you graduate, things may change. So it's very difficult to say something which will happen in future. I can only tell you what is currently in place. But postgraduate opportunities are open for both honors and pass courses. Currently, it is for honors will get a little priority over for candidates who have a major. But as I said, in 2 year, both of you will give a CUET paper and get the same opportunity. Then, कोई बात नहीं, डिजिलॉकर से ले लेंगे ना.
डिजिलॉकर में है ना आपके सारे.
हमारे सारे सिस्टम डिजिलॉकर से इंटीग्रेटेड हैं.
And the PDFs directly from the website, are they suitable to upload?
हम आपका QR कोड स्कैन करके डिजिलॉकर से ले लेंगे.
So last year I have appeared for the CBSE National Games Kabaddi and have secured 3rd position. But the problem is the CBSE, now the certificates come online, but CBSE has still date not opened the CBSE sports website, so I don't have my sports certificate. So is there any chance I can mention my achievement?
आपका सर्टिफिकेट अभी तक आया ही नहीं है.
No, ma'am, it's the site is not opening till now.
I'll have to check with my sports team. If you have a problem, perhaps they would have got similar representations. I'm not familiar with this. We'll have to check with our sports council.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any alternate way either from the school
So
or
let me first see the authentication of this claim. So the sports council, देखिए अगर आपको दिक्कत है, अभी हमारे पास कोई ऐसी रिप्रेजेंटेशन आई नहीं है. अगर आपके पास है तो बाकी लोगों के पास तो स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल के पास ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन आई होगी. इसलिए मैं इस पर कमेंट नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मुझे मालूम नहीं इस बारे में. अगर आपको दिक्कत है तो सबको होगी तो कुछ हम अल्टरनेटिव देंगे. लेकिन अगर ये आपका कोई इंडिविजुअल केस है और बाकियों को ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं है, देन perhaps you know that it's a very individualistic matter.
Mine was a team game, so my whole team is suffering from the same problem.
We'll check. We'll get it checked. Which sport is this?
Kabaddi.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I wanted to ask that what are the common mistakes that people make in preference sheet filling that you advise that one must avoid?
See, usually over the years we have seen that students take feedback from various social media influencers and accordingly they make their preference sheet. And if their score is not very high, according to them, they just drop out very high ranking colleges or programs. So I think that is one common mistake nobody should do. Your preference list should always reflect what you would like to study. Whether your score is high or low, it doesn't matter. If you would like to study BCom honors, keep that college at number 1 where you would like to do it. Or for example, any other program. So make the list as per the wish you would like to study, irrespective of the score, and make it extended. We are not charging you for adding your preferences. If you are shown 120 preferences or 500 preferences, put all of them in an order. In the same order as you wish to study, the algorithm will give you the best preference. And you still have an option of upgrade